how to delete images from ChatGPT library. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your ChatGPT and then you need to go to more option in the left hand side, tap on images. Now, scroll down and then find the image that you want to delete. So just tap on the image and then you need to go to the three dots in the top right, tap in open in chat. Now, there is no option to individually delete the image only, but you'll need to delete the whole chat. So, once the chat opens up, you need to go to the three dots in the right corner again and then tap on delete. And then tap on delete again. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.